So as we have seen in the previous video, the first sub question, add the following. So we'll move towards the similar sub question where it is addition. Now we have subtraction. So in the second sub question of exercise 8.1, we have the subtract the following. Now same as we have added in the first question, we'll subtract we'll solve the first one, second a, subtract 4a minus 7b, four a minus 7b plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9b, from 12a minus 9b minus 9b, sorry, 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now see here, I have to subtract this term from this term. So I'll write, see here, consider that this is Ajay and this is Vijay. So I'll tell Ajay to take chocolates from, I'll tell Vijay to take chocolates from Ajay. So if we have this much of chocolates, Vijay have to subtract, means he has to take. So I'll rewrite this term, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now see here, I have to subtract this whole term. So I'll write first the term 4a minus 7b plus 3b okay plus 3b plus 12 plus 12. Now I have to minus this one from this one. I have to minus this one from this one, this one from this one. So I'll write minus over here. Now 12a minus 4a, 8a. Now do you have any term over here, ab? No, we don't have. If you'll consider, even if you'll consider 0, anything minus 0, minus 9ab. Now 5b minus 7b, so it will become plus. Now how it will become plus? See here, 5b minus 5b minus how much? First it was 7ab, right? 7b. So 5b plus 7, now this minus becomes plus. So 5b plus 7b. Now we have might got how it became plus. So I'll write plus over here. So 5b plus 7b. 5b plus 7b, 12b. Now I have to subtract, means I have to subtract minus 3. 12, I have to minus 12 from minus 3. So similarly, I'll write it over here. See, minus 3 minus, I have to subtract, minus, what is this, plus 12. So see, minus 3 as it is, plus into minus, minus, then 12, and what it is, minus 15. So minus 15. Do you have any 3b over here? No. Then plus 3b. So this is the required answer. And if you rearrange it, you can write it as it also 12b plus 3b. Okay, no. I'll see the question first. No, we don't have b over here. Sorry, we don't have b. We don't have b. Sorry. No, we have, just a minute. I have written 12a minus 9ab plus 5a minus 3, right? 4a, 7b, 3b plus 12. So it's right. Sorry, it's right. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now moving towards the second example. See, students, I'm taking it in detail just because to clear your concepts. If I need to solve the question as it is in a straight manner, so it would become fast for some of the students. Some of might get very easily. Some may need to rewind the video and go through the solutions. So my suggestion is that don't think that I'm taking slow just because to clear the concepts, just because to clear the concepts of everyone. I'm here for you to explain each and every question in detail. So please keep in mind that we are going with a well-mannered speed. So we'll move towards the second one, that is B, subtract. I'll write the following terms as it is. First of all, subtract 3x plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5x minus 2z minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now see here, in the previous example, what I have told, from means, see, I have to take, if suppose my friend Vijay has 10 chocolates and I'm Ajay, I myself am Ajay, and if I want to borrow some of the chocolates, if someone conveys the message to me that takes some chocolates from Vijay, and I'm Ajay, someone is Vijay, suppose you are Vijay, I am Ajay, from, I want to borrow some chocolates from you, that is Vijay, right? So from 5x minus y, 5x minus y, just a minute, sorry, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx minus 2zx plus 10x y z. And what we have to subtract, 3x plus 5y. See here, now they have given subtract 3xy plus 5z. Do you have 3xy over here? Yes, we have 3xy, right? Plus 5yz. Do you have yz? Yes, we have 5yz. Minus 7zx, minus 7zx, and we don't have term with xyz. Now keep in mind that we have to subtract, we have to subtract, not addition. So I'll write the minus symbol. 5x minus 3xy, 5xy minus 3xy, 2xy, right? Now minus 2yz minus plus 5yz. See here, minus 2z minus plus 5yz means minus 2z minus, it becomes minus. Now how it became minus over here? See here, 2yz minus symbol over here plus 5yz plus 5yz. Now see here, 2yz minus into plus minus 5yz. What it will become? What it will become? See here, what will minus into plus minus 2yz minus 5yz minus 3yz. So minus 3yz. Now similarly, see, if we'll see here, minus 2zx, right? See, the minus 2zx I have written here, minus 7zx, minus 7zx. Now see here, minus 2zx minus plus 7zx. So minus 2zx plus 5zx, sorry, 7zx minus 2zx plus 7zx, 5zx. So right here 5zx. Don't get confused. Now see here, if you have such questions in such situations, rewrite this in this form. Rewrite. So see, minus 2zx, I have written minus 2zx minus symbol over here, minus symbol. How, what I want to subtract? Minus 7zx. Give a bracket, minus 7zx. Minus 2zx remains as it is, minus plus, what it is, 7zx. Minus 2zx plus 7zx, 5zx. Write that answer. That's it. This is the one of the, I think this is one of the easiest way to solve and very fastest way to solve. What students do, some mistakes, what they do while doing subtraction. Now see here, while doing subtraction, they in the very first, those who don't have any practice, what they do, the mistake, the common mistake students which do, that they'll directly do 7 minus 2. They'll directly do 7 minus 2. If we'll do 7 minus, see, minus 2 minus 7, they'll do directly minus 2 minus 7, minus 2zx minus 7zx. What they think that we are going to subtract only, na? We are going to subtract only. The thing is that we have to arrange in a good manner, in the simplified manner. See here, minus 2zx minus 7zx, what it became? 5zx. If some of the students in the very beginning, what they do, they don't have any practice. What they do, they directly said, minus 2 zx minus 7zx, if you will subtract, it will become 9zx. No, it's not like that. You have to rewrite it in a simplified manner, just for the understanding. You can directly do that calculation over here also. Means you might write here over plus also. In textbook they have given like this, but to understand properly, I have explained in a well manner for you. So this was the second example. You can go through the video once again. Now moving towards this last and best example, that is subtract the following four. Now see here students, some of the students, what they do, if they'll see the biggest problem, biggest coefficient and variables, what they do, they neglect that. If that is for option, don't neglect that sum, because maths is so easy if you understand the concept. For For example, I have said that p square q square plus p square q square. What students do? They'll hesitate. They'll they'll be frightened about solving such sums. If you want to add p square q square p square q square, so directly write 2p square q square. That's it. Now suppose if I have 5x plus 25 and I have 10, the second term as a 10x plus 50. If I'll tell to add them, some of them will tell that 5x plus 25, then I need to add 10x plus 50. No, 15x plus 25 plus 50, 75. That's it. Now see, I know that you can solve, but some of them get frightened that so much index power is 3, index power is 2, so how can I solve? No need to worry. Now we'll go towards the last example. See here, 18 minus 3p, 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Right. Now see here, I have to subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5p q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from what? This one. Now see here, I'll see 4p square q in the very first term. 4p square q. Where is p square q? Where is p square q? Where is p square q? Yes, we have 4p square q. Now I don't have any symbol given in the question over here, so by default it is plus. By default it is plus. By default it is plus. Now the second, after 4p square q minus 3pq, do you have pq? Yes, we have minus 3pq, right? Then plus pq square, then plus pq square plus 5pq square, then minus 8p, then plus 7q, then minus 10. See, such kind of a big question, what they do, some of the students, what they do, by just observing the questions, they'll neglect the question and go for the optional ones. It's very easy. It's very easy. If you'll go through it very carefully, if you'll understand the main concept, it's very easy. No need to worry. See here, this is the question. Now I have to subtract. Keep in mind that while solving in exam or any kind of test, keep in mind that we have to subtract or we have to add. Read the question very carefully. Now I have to subtract. Now see here, minus 18. Now see here, minus 18. I have to subtract. So I'll write minus symbol over here. Neglect this. I'm just showing over here. 18. I have to subtract minus 10, right? So minus, I'll write minus 10. So I'll write like this. 18 minus into minus plus. 18 minus into minus plus 18 plus 10, 28. So it will become plus. For your better understanding, we are writing the symbols over here. If you will not write, no worries. So what is the answer over here? 28. Now see, minus 3p minus 7q. it will become minus over here. I'll write over. For your better understanding, I'm writing the symbols over here. If you don't want to write, don't write. This is I'm writing the symbols over here. Those students who can't get very easily, for them I'm writing minus 3p minus 7q. Sorry, I've made a mistake. Sorry, 8p minus 7q. 8p minus 7q. Right, I'm extremely sorry. I'll see the coefficient and rearrange it properly. Now see here, minus 3p plus 8a plus 8p. Now see here, minus 3p minus plus 8p. See here, minus 3p minus into plus minus 8p minus 3p minus 8ap minus 8p, sorry, minus 11p. That's it. Similarly, plus 5q minus 3pq. See here, 5pq minus again minus 3pq. 5pq minus minus becomes plus 3pq. 3pq plus 3pq. 5pq plus 3pq. It becomes 8. What, I've made a mistake? What? No, I've not made any mistake. I've solved this one. Okay, so you can write 8pq plus 8pq, right? Now similarly, minus 11q minus 7q. Minus 11q minus 7q. See here, minus 11q, I'll open the bracket, minus minus becomes plus 7q. I'll open the bracket. So minus 11 plus 7, minus 11 plus 7, minus 4q. Right? Now similarly for this one also, minus 2pq minus plus 5pq square. See here, what it is, minus 2pq minus plus 5pq square, right? See here, minus 2pq square minus into plus minus 5pq square. Now see here, minus 2pq square minus 5pq square, 7 minus 7pq square. Like this you have to solve, so that you will not make any mistake. See, in very firstly, you might get some of the time, you might consume more of the time while solving, but the thing is, you will clear the whole concepts very clearly. Now see here, the last term, pq square minus, see this one. Now suppose I don't have plus sign over here and I also don't have plus sign over here. If there is no sign, what do we assume? That is a plus. So minus p 5p square q minus 4p square q. What will it become? Plus p square q. That's it. So this is the required answer. I hope you have got it. So while solving, don't keep in mind that we have 18 and we have to minus 10 from 18. The answer should be 8. No, it's not like that. So you can solve in this manner. So this is the required answer. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section.